Welcome to the Learn English with Petra channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing daily routine. Pay close attention and make sure to repeat the phrases after me to practice. Towards the end of the video, there will be questions related to the topic for you to answer. Let's get into the video. Hello. My name is Petra, and I want to tell you about my daily routine. I wake up early in the morning, usually around 6 o'clock. The first thing I do is brush my teeth and wash my face to feel fresh. Then, I have breakfast. I like to eat cereal and drink a glass of milk. After breakfast, I get ready for school. I put on my school uniform, pack my bag with books and notebooks, and head to the bus stop. I take the school bus to get to school. School starts at 8 a.m., and we have different classes like math, science, English, and more. I enjoy learning new things. We have a lunch break at noon, and I eat my lunch with my friends. After school, I like to play soccer with my friends at the park. It's so much fun. When I come back home, I do my homework and study for a while. Then, I have dinner with my family. We talk about our day and share stories. After dinner, I watch some TV or read a book before going to bed. I usually go to bed around 9 o'clock because I need enough sleep to be fresh for the next day. That's my daily routine. I hope you enjoyed hearing about it. Now answer the questions. 1. At which time do you wake up? 2. What's the first thing you do after waking up? 3. What do you usually have for breakfast? 4. Do you have dinner with your family every day? 5. At which time do you go to sleep? Great job, learners! I trust you had a good time during today's lesson. Please share in the comments how many questions you managed to answer. If you found the video enjoyable, kindly hit the like button, and consider subscribing to my channel. Let me know in the comments which topic you'd like to focus on in the future. Wishing you a fantastic day, every day.